What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Mana for the Soul. I'm Nilam.
I'm Ronica.
And I'm Amira.
And today we're making mini cheesecake cups with 3 different toppings. You're gonna love this. Let's get into it.
Okay, you guys. So these miniature cheesecake bites are so amazing and super easy to make, and of course super yummy. And we also have 3 different toppings that you can top them with.
Yes, so our topping, we have a blueberry compote.
Period.
And we have a cookie butter.
Period. Yeah.
And then we also have a lemon curd.
I'm here for it.
Get in my belly!
Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna make the graham cracker crust first. So we're gonna use 2 organic eggs, real butter. We have our cream cheese, of course, vanilla bean paste to add a little bit of more sweetness. We also have regular vanilla extract, graham crackers for our crust, because we're gonna make our crust on our own, sour cream, and brown sugar.
With our graham crackers, we're gonna either put them up with a rolling pan or we're gonna use a hand blender.
Yeah, I think we'll probably use a hand blender.
Blended our graham crackers with our sugar and our melted butter. We have our pie crust.
It smells really good.
Smells amazing.
Smells really sweet.
And we're just gonna evenly distribute it through these muffin tins. And we made sure we put our muffin liners inside. And so Veronica's gonna go ahead and do that.
Yeah, and all you need is like a tablespoon. And then what you could do as a hack is use the bottom of a measuring cup and use that to kind of push down. And that will give you the nice crust you need.
Just be nice and packed.
That's all you gotta do. Pretty simple.
Random. Have any of you guys ever been bullied?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
Okay, so the bad thing is I went to a school in the suburbs. So I was considered the cootie girl.
Oh.
And it was so hurtful. The whole school hated me.
Really?
Yes. And it was
That's
not
sad.
it was not only elementary, it was junior high and high school.
Really?
That's sad.
Yeah, so
and look how like beautiful, flourishing, and prospering you are.
A lot of times I've been a loner. So,
Really?
yeah.
That made you really strong, huh?
Yeah, it is what it is.
That's saddy.
So.
I was like, I didn't really get bullied. I mean, I had really crooked teeth, and like people make fun of it. But I was an extreme empath to when I saw kids getting bullied. Sometimes I would cry. Like I don't know. I just hated with my whole soul bullies.
Yeah.
Like it made me crazy. What about you? Have you been bullied?
Yes.
About what?
I was bullied a lot. I don't know. There was this boy that bullied me a lot in elementary school. Mm-hmm. And the worst day that he bullied me, he like took my sandwich and threw it because like the bread was like wheat bread with like seeds on it.
No seeds on it. Because you're eating healthy.
Yeah,
It's funny how we can laugh now. It's funny how you can laugh at the dumb stuff now, but like in the past it was really
was
a
hard.
little more here.
It was hard and it was hurtful. But those things make you who you are, right? So, so it's okay. Those trials are necessary to have you to grow.
What are the next steps?
Oh, so next step actually is what we're gonna do is get the cream cheese filling together. This actually needs to go into the oven. And so we have preheated our oven at 325 and it just goes in the oven for a little bit and then we'll go ahead and add the filling on top.
I just want to make sure we have enough crust. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want it to be more filling than crust. And we still have some left over so we can make more. But
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna make more. All right, let's go. So we have all our ingredients and we are about to mix it up. Starting with our cream cheese.
it's getting nice and smooth. Sugar.
You guys want to make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. It makes it a lot easier to blend.
And we're using brown sugar, so if it turns a little brown, it's okay because we enjoy brown sugar.
All right, so we added our sugar.
I'm gonna probably crack it on here. No shells go in.
Oh, right.
She's still cracking it in there.
Oh yeah, that's nice and
that's
creamy.
really nice.
That's like, look at that.
One egg at a time is key.
Yeah. And then for the vanilla, that's good. We're using vanilla paste and
My ancestor said, do that again.
and a little bit of vanilla extract. That's good. We just mix that in.
Okay.
All right, this is looking good. We are now filling our cheesecake mixture into the cups.
And we're using a 1/4 of a cup and just scooping in there. You don't need it to go overflow because we're gonna have a topping on top.
Yeah. And we don't want it to overflow the pan.
Yes.
But anyways, we were just talking about bullying, and I was actually really, really bullied
I hated it.
when I was younger. I just wasn't cute.
You were cute.
I mean, I was cute to me and my family, like, you know, but like to other people, I wasn't. Everybody always used to compare us a lot and like compare me to my little sister and stuff. And I was always tall and skinny and all that type of stuff. So I don't know, people just picked on me a lot, but I always had a lot of girlfriends.
And you were the only one who wore glasses, which were so cute.
Oh yeah, I
but
forgot.
People
I
be
wore
on that.
glasses. And
I wanted to fight a lot on your behalf.
Sadia fought a lot on my behalf. Like that little sister thing, like she would just like all the time.
I was never in their grade. I was always higher, so
yeah.
I would hear about middle school.
When I went to high school, I had like a better chance because Nilam had already been there, and it was like your Nilam's sister.
Oh,
So
wow.
That I kind of like rode that way.
And look at you now. Like, you are beautiful,
Period.
model-esque. Like, seriously.
You guys, no bullying, please. You know what's part of bullying that we don't realize too? Like if
Nobody
the
stops
bullier,
it.
and like when you laugh along, like you didn't say the joke, but the whole class is laughing. When you're a part of the laugh, you're part of the bullying, and you shouldn't do that.
Got them off
Done. So done. So actually, a good tip is to kind of hit them to get them all leveled out and get any air bubbles. You see the little air bubbles coming out?
Yeah.
I know it's loud, so. And that's it. Now these are about to go into the oven, 325 for about 15-20 minutes, and yeah, it'll be ready.
All right, so we have some beautiful toppings for our cheesecake mini cups.
They've been in the fridge for 3 hours, and we've been doing other stuff while they were in there, but now we can top them with our amazing toppings.
I'm really excited about this.
So beautiful. And actually, it's so versatile, like, and it looks so pretty at any get together. And also the thing is, this is like COVID friendly. Come on, seriously.
We have a blueberry combo with edible flowers.
For myself, I have a beautiful lemon curd, homemade, with some fresh lemons, mint, and some whipped cream.
And then mine is a cookie butter caramel sauce, and I'm gonna top it off with Biscoff cookies. Well, let's get started. Let's get to topping.
All right.
Yeah, and this is like so fun to do too. Like, look at that. Just want to eat it by itself. The beautiful thing is when the cheesecake, it gets a little, it goes in a little bit. So it makes a perfect place to kind of put your topping on.
One random question. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Like, what's your dream travel place?
Dream travel. I want to travel the world.
Yeah, I want to go everywhere.
I
but
definitely want to go
what's
everywhere.
your top?
But my top is like, I really want to go, and it's
Dubai.
probably basic, but I want to go to Santorini.
Oh yeah.
I want to see the blue and white shutters. Like,
Aww.
I want that.
I want to go to Bali and like
Yes.
go. You know where they have like the you have your own hut and it's like on, and then they like push the tray out and it's like, and then you jump in the pool and it has like the heart with the flowers.
Oh,
say
yeah.
I love you. Like, I want to do that.
That's like a little, what do you call it? Anniversary spot.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Yeah, gonna do that.
What about you?
You know, it's funny. I've never been to India. Like, even though my family heritage actually goes back to India, I never been there. So I'd like to go to India, you know, just to kind of see what that's like. Anybody want some whipped cream on this?
Yes.
I want a dot here,
Okay.
and
Wow,
here.
you guys, I'm so proud of you. This looks so good.
Right there?
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh my God, that is beautiful.
Okay, it's time to try it.
Oh my God.
So I want to try each one
Yes.
and give what I feel.
Yes,
so
absolutely. Go ahead.
Why am I nervous?
Start.
Because they're so cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with the lemon one.
Okay.
Let's start with this one.
All right. So I guess I'll start with the cookie butter. Here we go.
Do it at the same time.
Yes. I'm gonna get some crust.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Look at
I'm
that.
gonna get some whip. Homemade whip too, guys.
Yes.
We have that video up. Go
We
check
do
it out.
have that video.
Link
All right,
in
ready?
bio.
All right.
Cheers.
Wow.
Okay.
Mine's is the best. Wait, I don't know.
You never tried the other
Oh,
one.
I forgot. We all tried something different.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Yeah.
I don't know. I think mine's might be the best.
I like that. That's really great.
Okay.
You like lemon though, you know.
This, Lord.
Let me try lemon. The lemon is so good.
Right?
God, that one is good.
Which one?
The
Lemon.
lemon is so good. Now,
Whoa.
the cookie butter is good, but see, it's like a different flavor.
The lemon.
Whoa.
Tart.
Now, don't get me wrong.
What?
Blueberries hit.
Yes.
But that lemon's still in first place.
No, blueberries hitting, but it went to second real fast.
Let me try
real
the
bad. All right, this is the third one. Okay.
Mmm. I like the blueberry. It's fresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Each one of them are good.
Okay, rate.
This gives me more of a traditional cheesecake feel.
Yes. Yes.
And then lemon is like, you was switching it up.
Yeah.
You was doing something.
Lemon is
Lemon
such
curd.
a switch up, and it just goes so perfectly with the cheesecake and with the crust.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's mind blowing.
It's tarty, it's fresh, and the perfect amount of sweetness. Just so good.
I'm proud of the blueberry one.
No, and the blueberry's fresh too. It's really good.
It's great. It's great.
and
so
so
is-
flour.
And so is it. Yeah, these are edible flowers, so you can eat them. And the cookie butter, oh my God. All of them. All of them. So if you're
Girl.
making, you're gonna be like getting each one of them for yourself.
Right?
The crust is so good, you guys. So simple, but so fire.
And desire.
10 out of 10.
Absolutely. Make it.
Like,
Subscribe.
comment. Peace out.
We love you.